Best Schwinn Koen. Are you looking for the best Schwinn Koen? In this video we will look at 5 of the best Schwinn Koen on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Schwinn Koen and Elm BMX style bike is designed specifically for kids, with options to suit boys and girls between ages 2 and 9. The bike offers a versatile size range, coming in 12 to 18-inch wheels, making it ideal for young riders with heights between 28 and 52 inches. This bike includes training wheels, helping beginners develop balance and confidence before they transition to riding without support. One standout feature is the simplified design, focused on safety and ease of use. The bike's lightweight frame allows for better control, and it incorporates the Smart Start technology by Schwinn, which means the bike geometry, pedal positions, and grips are optimized for smaller riders. The cranks and pedals are positioned closer together, making it easier for kids to pedal efficiently, and the smaller grips are tailored for children's hands. Additionally, the bike includes either a basket or a number plate, adding a fun element and a bit of customization depending on the child's preference. Parents will appreciate the coaster brake, pedal backwards to stop, on smaller models, which helps young riders learn braking basics. The larger sizes, 16-inch and above, also feature a handbrake, helping kids transition to the braking system used in adult bikes. With a well-rounded balance of style, practicality, and safety, the Schwinn Koen and Elm bikes provide a reliable and enjoyable riding experience for kids, making it a great choice for families looking for a quality first bike. Number 2. The Schwinn children's bicycle is a thoughtfully crafted bike for young riders ages 3 to 4.5, specifically designed to make learning to ride a breeze. With its lightweight frame, weighing only about 12 pounds, the Schwinn is easy for young children to handle, helping build their confidence and control as they develop riding skills. This 14-inch bike is an excellent size for kids just starting to learn, making it ideal for children between 37 and 43 inches tall. A standout feature of the Schwinn is its emphasis on safety and beginner-friendly components. It includes a responsive handbrake that's easy for small hands to operate, rather than a coaster brake, which encourages kids to develop braking control in a way that prepares them for more advanced bikes. Additionally, the bike is fitted with a chain guard, which protects little hands and clothes from the chain, reducing the risk of accidents and keeping the bike cleaner. The Schwinn's design is sleek, with a red color that appeals to both boys and girls. The ergonomic geometry, including a low entry frame, allows children to get on and off the bike easily, while the narrow, child-sized grips make steering and control simpler. Each part of the bike is crafted with young riders in mind, from its smaller pedals to its stable, puncture-resistant tires, providing an all-around high-quality, durable ride. Overall, the Schwinn offers a blend of safety, functionality, and style, making it a top choice for parents seeking a high-quality first bike for their young child. Number 3. The Schwinn GTX Comfort Adult Hybrid Bike is a versatile, dual-sport bicycle designed to handle a range of terrains and riding conditions, ideal for both men and women. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame, this hybrid bike offers a comfortable ride and is available in both step-through and step-over designs, making it easy for riders of various heights and preferences to mount and dismount. Its 700C wheels are fitted with durable tires that provide reliable traction on both paved and unpaved surfaces, making it suitable for commuting, fitness rides, and even light trails. The Schwinn GTX combines comfort and performance, featuring a suspension fork that absorbs bumps and enhances stability, which helps ensure a smoother ride on rougher paths. The bike is equipped with a 21-speed Shimano drivetrain, allowing for smooth and easy gear changes, so riders can confidently handle hills, descents, and flat roads. Front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, enhancing control and safety in various weather conditions. Comfort is further enhanced with a padded saddle and ergonomic grips, making long rides more enjoyable by reducing hand and body fatigue. With a stylish design and multiple frame sizes, the Schwinn GTX is a versatile and adaptable bike for both urban and recreational use. Overall, the Schwinn GTX Comfort Hybrid Bike offers a solid blend of performance, comfort, and durability, making it a great choice for anyone seeking a dependable and adaptable bike for a range of activities. Number 4. The Schwinn Destiny and Baywood Beach Cruiser bikes are designed with a classic cruiser style that's accessible and enjoyable for riders of all ages, including adults, teens, and kids ages 8 and up. These single-speed bikes are perfect for casual rides around the neighborhood, beach, or park, providing a relaxed, easygoing riding experience. Available in two-wheel sizes, 24-inch and 26-inch, they accommodate a wide range of rider heights, making them versatile for both teens and adults. Built with a durable steel frame, these bikes are designed to last and handle gentle terrain, while the simple single-speed drivetrain minimizes maintenance and keeps things uncomplicated for riders who prefer a straightforward bike. The cruiser handlebars and padded saddle ensure a comfortable, upright riding position, which is ideal for leisurely rides. Additionally, the wide, knobby tires offer a smooth ride over pavement or beach paths, contributing to the bike's stability and control. The bikes also come with a rear rack, which is convenient for carrying bags, small groceries, or other essentials, making them practical for short errands or day trips. The easy step-through frame on the Destiny model provides easier mounting and dismounting, particularly beneficial for shorter riders or those looking for extra comfort. Overall, the Schwinn Destiny and Baywood Beach Cruisers combine classic style, ease of use, and comfort, making them a great option for riders seeking a low-maintenance, relaxed bike for casual, everyday adventures. Number 5. The Schwinn Perla 18-inch 7-speed beach cruiser bike is a stylish and practical choice for both men and women who enjoy leisurely rides along the beach, in the park, or around town. Featuring a classic cruiser design, this bike combines comfort, performance, and vintage appeal. Its 18-inch frame is designed for riders of average height, ensuring an upright and relaxed riding position that enhances comfort during extended rides. Equipped with a 7-speed drivetrain, the Schwinn Perla offers smooth gear shifts, allowing riders to easily adjust to different terrains, whether riding on flat streets or gentle inclines. This added versatility makes the bike suitable for a variety of environments, providing a better overall riding experience than single-speed cruisers. The bike's smooth riding tires are ideal for casual cruising, and its retro-inspired aesthetic is complemented by a matching blue color scheme that stands out. The Schwinn Perla also features a comfortable saddle designed for long rides, and the bike comes with a classic firm-strong bicycle bell, adding a touch of charm and functionality. The steel frame is both sturdy and durable, built to last for years of regular use. Additionally, the bike includes a rear coaster brake, ensuring reliable stopping power with a simple pedal backward to brake. The bike's overall design combines style, ease of use, and durability, making the Schwinn Perla a great option for casual cyclists seeking a fun and functional beach cruiser experience.